Hi guys, welcome back to our third and final video demo for turnup getting started. So on the last two videos we have looked into these two items, that is the account creation and the post and sharing of events and activities. So this third item on the list will be geared towards the profile features and management. So basically that is maybe changes towards your profile details, editing, maybe following other users, and to touch on other aspects of the application that I did not manage to talk about. So I think we can just maybe we can get started. But before we get started, I'd just like to mention that in case you are joining us right now and maybe you are not, maybe you are stuck, or you do not understand from where I'm coming from, you can just check on the description area for links for the previous videos. So with that, I think we can just we can proceed. Yeah, so I think as you can see from the previous video, I have added some additional content, and I've also added some additional users. For instance, like this one is a different user, and this one is also different user. So these users I'll be using for the demonstration of this particular demo for profiles management and the features. So I think we can just I'm already logged in, so we can just head over straight to my profile. Yeah, so here we are, and this is my profile, and I think this view might be familiar to some of you, since on the previous video when we were creating our first post, it automatically redirected us to this particular view, although I did not touch on anything about the profiles view. So that is the purpose of this particular demo. So this is my profile, and basically on your profile you get to visualize all your posts under one particular place. Of course, this is not to be confused with the posters. So for the posters link is actually it's just where it contains different posts from different users. It is not necessarily your own post. So for instance, if I open just some of them, this one, as you can see, it's posted by me. This one is a different user. This is also a different user. This is also a different user. So this is just a general location for posts from different users. But when you want to visualize your own posts, you need to go to your profile. So okay, so here we are. These are my posts in summary, and these are also my posts in including the descriptions. So okay, here as there are a couple of sections, but I will only be touching on some of them. I will not touch on all of them. So I think we can maybe start with this one. This is the it's profiles that you follow section. Of course, just to add on the whole view about the profile being your profile being a place where you can visualize all your posts under one place. You should note that basically when we were registering, we used the I think it was the events organizer account, which is actually different from the Events Explorer account. So for the Events Explorer account, the view on their profile will be slightly different from this one, the one that we are currently seeing. That is mainly because Events Explorer cannot be able to post his or her own posters or activities. So what happens is that for the Events Explorer, you only get to visualize on your profile maybe only post for the users that you are following. So you will only be able to see on the main view the posts or activities from users that you are currently following. So that is the main difference. So getting back to our current view on the profiles that you follow, this section is actually where you get to, okay, now as a maybe as a content creator, like let's say like a club manager or a club personnel, or maybe just a events organizer. This section is where you'll get to visualize posts from the individuals or the users that you are following. So as you can see from the name, this is one among the users I am following currently. This post is also from a different user that I'm currently following, but the ones on the main view are actually my own posts. So that is actually the main difference. Another section that I maybe want to touch on is the maybe the followers and the following view. So these sections are actually a bit straightforward. So the Events Explorer account will not be having this following section. That's because you cannot follow an Event Explorer. The main reason for that is actually it will be difficult to follow maybe an account that cannot be able to share any posts or activities. So they can only follow different users, but they cannot be followed themselves. So that is also one among the differences between those two accounts. So that is like an overview of the profiles view. So maybe when we want to change our details, the details regarding our account, as you can see, when you if you go to the default avatar, you have your own details listed there. So there's the edit profile link. So if you click on that, it will take you to where you'll be able to edit or change your profile details. So I think we can maybe change our current profile image, and maybe we can also change our current location. As you can see, we are in Kerugoya, Kenya. So we can maybe change the location and our profile image, so that we can just see the process. So we can maybe just upload a different profile. Let's pick this one, and maybe we can pick a different location. So let's say even a different country. Yeah, so Kampala. So we can also get to specify a business from the edit profile section. So we can just maybe add a business, let's say like select turnup, because this is a turnup demo. You can leave the address as blank for now. Then we can update our profile. So our profile has been successfully updated. We can see that our profile has been changed, and also our country has been changed to Uganda, and the region is the central region of Uganda. So let's just close this, and we can also confirm exactly where we are in the location. So we can maybe, if you click on edit, just to confirm, you can see that our location is in Kampala, Uganda. So in case maybe you need to verify your account, in case there's something you need to do and you need a verification, here is you can just click on this link to maybe get a new verification link. So we can just head over back to our profile. Yeah, so here we are on our profile. One more thing I would like to mention is that as you can see, we have a small icon here. Let me just zoom it up so you can see better. Yeah, so we have this icon. So next to our business, we have this icon. So this icon is basically where you can get to specify, maybe if you have a business website, or maybe an external link where you are running your business. So you can just specify your link here. You can just add your link. So let's say like it must start with the HTTP, as you can see on our description. So HTTP. Submit that one. Yeah, so our URL has been successfully integrated. So that is now what happens when you can see that our business name is now clickable, and it will redirect us to the URL that we have specified for our business. So let's just try that out, and it has redirected to the same URL that is basically, actually it has redirected to the main page of the site. That is because that is the one that I had specified. So that is one of the features that you can use to maybe add more information about your business. You can just specify a link, or maybe an external business address. So those are the main aspects of our profile. Of course, you can also get, like, for instance, on the previous video I had shared on how you can maybe use this search to maybe search a post, of which we used to search by name. You can also search by the location, maybe the location where the event is going to take place. And also we have a different search here where you can get to search the users. So you can maybe search one user so that you can see. Yeah, so we have one user here with a similar name. These are our search results for this particular name, and this is a user that I'm currently following. And you can also get to go to their profile by clicking on their username and checking out their profile. Maybe you can unfollow them if you're no longer interested in following them. You can just unfollow their profile, or you can just maybe like also their posts if you want. So those are the main things about the user profile. One thing maybe I think I had shared on the previous video, but we did not have other users to test with. I had shared of the notification icon here. So as you can see from the users that I am following, so let's just go to my account. Okay, so here we are back into my account. As you can see, I'm following two users. So one of the users that I'm following, as you can see, they have a new post. So it has notified me of a new post by that particular user. So aside from that, I think I've covered most part of what we were to talk about on this the profiles view. Just to add a little bit of information. So on the topmost bar of our application, you can see we have some additional links. So you can maybe, in case you are facing any challenges, we have our contacts link here, which you can maybe use in case you need to inquire some things with us. So you can just fill out this form and maybe send us an email, or you can just head over to the help page, where you can maybe find something to point you towards the right direction. Yeah, so aside from that, I think I'll be creating a similar tutorial about these whole processes, the creation of a profile, and maybe posting of events via the mobile, because this was the web version of the whole thing, so that you can maybe have an experience and a look at both options of maybe the mobile view, and now that you have this web browser feel. So with that, I think I'd like to close the final session of our video demo. And thank you so much for your time. And I hope that this application will be beneficial to you in one way or another. So thank you so much, and I have a nice time.